See, this cartridge is filled with these ceramics. As you can see a little bit layer of protection in this ceramic balls. For your protection, we have covered this ceramic ball with our latest technology to provide you the freshness at your doorstep. So as a result, you need to wash this cartridge 3 to 4 times. You can do it simply by pouring the water in the bottle, shaking it for 3 to 5 times, and then not using the water but disposing it off. You'll see that there are some minute particles in the water. You have to repeat this process 3 to 4 times so that the protection layer that we have provided on these ceramic balls washes away and your ceramics and the cartridge is ready to use, and you can have your healthy alkaline water at a very good price. Thank you.